in my scattered chart, you can say 100% scattered bar chart. And to solve this, I tried many way. Maybe people have a different opinion, but yeah, I tried many way, but I not able to solve it. Okay, however, I just start exploring the things, so then find the solution, which is just move to the older version. So once so let me show you that what exactly problem is. So let's drill up, let's drill down and see this. Here we have solved this, only we are getting the one dimensions, but sometime we got the two dimensions together. Since we don't we solve it, so we got the like January, February, March and all dimensions together. So in that scenario we are very much confident that yeah, it could be solved in many way. But yeah, in my version, once I install once again the older version Power BI, then it's working fine. So let's move to the solution and that. So still see this. If I go back to you can say month sequence, so see this, we try to sort it but won't be able to solve it. Okay, sorting order 23, 21, 31, 27, that is not possible, it's not coming as intended. So what I did, I just visit to the link, which is community T5 here, and just I will share the link with you guys so that you can get it. So here we have all previous versions reports, and you can check which link is working for you. So accordingly you can download and install in your system, and thereafter your problem got fixed. And this link will be shared in the video description, and that going to help you. And after fixing this, see this, it will display like this. So 33, 34, 35, 36, see this, the problem has been solved, and now I'm able to publish the report to the customer. So I don't want other people to be struggle for this. If you get any this kind of problem, so please go for the older version and will solve the issue. And talk about the drill through concern. So it will automatically solve when you are using older version and newer version too, but sometime we got a problem, but not always. Yeah, see this is after installation, it's fixed everything and now looks better. So if you find this video useful, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and wait for the new video. Thank you.